Struggling with stairs? Homelifts might be the perfect modern solution you need. Cambridge Elevating has been Ontario's leading home elevating provider since 1988. A safe journey in your lift should include a no-step entrance and the security of standard handrails for assistance. When a home lift is at the opposite landing, the rail system is out of the way, not an obstacle like other leading brands. Your home lift team is comprised of dedicated sales and installation experts, with an experienced contractor and engineering partner. Although manufactured in the UK, lifts are in stock and take only 3 days to be installed after the prep work is complete. Our home lifts can fit within 99% of homes. Interested? Come test drive a lift at one of our 2 GTA locations, or schedule an assessment to find the best location in your home.